Hi there, welcome to Get Data Solution. Today we'll see about project activity progress. Just before that, let me explain about the purpose of this channel, Get Data Solution. This channel is dedicated to create dashboard and other data management tools. The potential users are institutions as well as organizations, business people and individuals. The purpose of this channel is to modernize data system and save time as well as generate automatic report. It's also expected to reduce cost of that organization or a business using this dashboard and other data management tools. Coming to today's topic, which is project activity progress, we'll have such a data type or report type which tracks overall project activity progress by quarter. For example, in this particular case, for quarter 1, the achievement is 35%. For quarter 2, the achievement is 72%. For quarter 3, 85%. Look, the color is dynamically changes. And for quarter 4, 98%. And this is very dynamic tracking system. The purpose is to track project progress, so we'll have similar chart that track the progress of the project. Coming to the content of this is to track progress activity progress over quarters. The data expected is activity, planned number, and actual or achievement number. Those are the required data to enter into the system. In terms of the report, it generates project activity progress, which will be updated every quarter, and the colors are automatically changed based on the achievement. In terms of the purpose is to effectively follow up project progress, to visualize project progress, to identify activities that should be supported, to identify team or individuals that should be supported, and to know overall project progress. We may have many activities, but in aggregate, we can't see from individual activities, so it will actually summarize and tell us the overall project progress. It's also useful also to plan strategy to improve implementation. So that's also one of the advantage. For whom this is recommended: for project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators and M&D leads, mill staff and M&D staff, team coordinators, donors, as well as the planning team can use this tracking system. So we'll insert the data into data entry page, which is in quarter 1 here. We'll enter the activity, the list of activity, and we'll insert the plan, then the achievement, then the percentage achievement for individual activity will be automatically calculated. In the report page, we will have such a chart which shows the implementation of that activity in aggregate. So in this particular case, we have 35% achievement in quarter 1. As achievement change, the percentage of individual activities as well as the overall progress automatically changes. Coming to quarter 2, we have the activity list and the plan will be the same. but the achievement will change normally in quarter 2 compared to quarter 1. So in this particular case here, the activity, some of the activities have actually the achievement is increased, and the aggregate will actually for this in quarter 2 is 72%. In similarly, in quarter 3 we will update the achievement based on the actual performance of those activities. Here the individual percentage of many activities have actually shown an increment, and as an aggregate we achieved 85% achievement, and the color is changed this time into blue, and the percentage is 85% achievement. Keeping on changing, we'll have also a similar trend, but changes are vividly observed in quarter 4 as well, which we'll see next. In quarter 4, the achievement of many activities have actually increased. As you can see, we have between 95 and 100%, or 94 to 100% in terms of individual activities in that range, and the overall aggregate is 98%. And this time, as you can see, the color has been changed to green, so as an indication of a good performance in that regard. So here is the summary of individual quarters. In quarter 1, our achievement of overall aggregate is 35%. In quarter 2, 72%. In quarter 3, 85%. In quarter 4, 98%. This is a very dynamic progress tracking system, and it's easy to visualize and actually tune into tracking the project, as well as to support in the areas of where the gaps could be actually seen in terms of the implementer as well as the activity itself. So this is the overall activity progress. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We have also a demo that shows practically how data, after entering data, how it dynamically changes. We'll see that in the next slide. Thank you, and use this template for your project tracking system. We recommend this for project or program managers, project or program team, M&D coordinators and M&D leads, middle staff, M&D staff, team coordinators. Thank you once again, and subscribe to Get Data Solution, and bye bye.